Immobiliser Fit, and this is how you pair a phone up using Bluetooth to the Starline Immobiliser. So first of all, we'll download the Starline key app, press OK on these, and we're ready to go. So without starting the vehicle, foot off the brake, we'll double tap the ignition to turn it on. Pop our code in to prove that it's us. 1, 2, 3. We get our disarm tone. Now we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presses. Turn the ignition off. Double tap back on, we'll get 7 bleeps. And now, if we go onto the phone, we can start searching. So if we did it before, it wouldn't come up. So now we tap start search, it comes up here. The password is 0 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll press pair. It will say no connection. Just tap OK on that. And then if you wanted to register a second phone, now do it again on the second phone. Tap on the Starline 0 6 times. Press OK. When you're done, you can pair up to 5 phones. We'll turn this off. We get 1 bleep for 1 phone. If you paired up 2, you get 2 bleeps and so on. So now if we just turn the ignition on, in a second, you'll see the key come on the screen with the green circle around. So that means the phone's paired. Now we just get in, start the car, hear a disarm tone straight away and drive off. Also in the app, if we want to put it in service mode, press and hold. Wait till this green goes yellow. Let go, we get 2 bleeps. Now it's a normal car. When you get it back from Lexus and you want to put the PIN code on, you want it to be secure, you want it to connect to the phone, press and hold till it goes back to green. Let go, we get 2 bleeps, and the vehicle's protected again. Hope this helps some of our customers who need to pair up a phone to their Starline Immobiliser. This is a 2021 Lexus ES300h.